Isn't eating breakfast. Hey, Danny. What are you doing? Are you watching George? Yeah. What's Daddy doing? Where's Daddy?
Shut up.
He's in the shower? Yeah, he's in the shower. Are you watching George? Hey, Danny, did you sleep well?
I sleep well.
Good. Big yawn. I know, Lainey. Nobody's paying attention to you. Alright, how do I zoom out? There we go. You got a little milk mustache, sweetie. There we go. Can you say good morning? Ouch. You want me to help you? Okay, sit down and I'll help you down.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Uh-oh. Look what Danny found. Those were in your lunch yesterday, so I can't tell you no, huh? Can Mommy have one? Can I have one? Just one. You know my tricks, don't you? Can I have another? Thank you.